Ladies and gentlemen, the Alpha Kappa Alpha debutantes of 2015.
It is my pleasure to welcome you to our 23rd Annual Winter Cotillion. Tonight's theme is a pink carpet for you. As you can see, all of my lovely sorority sisters, we are all in pink as we roll out the pink carpet for you this evening. Tonight we present 19 intelligent and multi-talented young women from Lafayette and the surrounding areas. The promise of these young women embodies the spirit and drive of Alpha Kappa Alpha's founders in creating a sisterhood for women whose talents and strengths were collectively used for the benefit of others. Alpha Kappa Alpha is the oldest Greek letter sorority founded by African American women. On January 15th of this year, Alpha Kappa Alpha will have trained volunteers and forged transformative program initiatives for 107 years for the betterment of communities within the United States and throughout the world. Locally, the Eta Chi Omega chapter has served the Lafayette community for 52 years. This year, we are excited to implement the new program of our 29th International President, Dorothy Buchanan Wilson, launching New Dimensions of Service. The signature program for this year will be our Ascend program, and Ascend stands for Achievement, Self-Awareness, Communication, Engagement, Networking, and Developmental Skills. This program is designed to support high school women and young men in their journey to college and vocational employment. In addition to the Ascend program, we will also be working on several health initiatives, including Alzheimer's awareness. We will have the Longest Day, which is an Alzheimer's support activity that will be conducted in June. We will have environmental initiatives such as the Playground Mobilization Day, which will take place in May. And we will also continue with our Pink Goes Red, which is the awareness for heart health. Last year, we partnered with the lovely ladies of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority for a program that involved aerobics and awareness of heart disease. Most recently, coming up on January 19th, 2015, we'll be participating in the Dr. Martin Luther King Day of Service program that the city puts on. In October, we will also have a Childhood Hunger Awareness Day. So as an individual, or if you are part of an organization, if you are interested in partnering with the Eta Chi Omega chapter, please feel free to contact myself. I'm Karen King, the incoming president, or any of our chapter members, because we would love to partner with other organizations and individuals as we launch new dimensions of service for the 2015 through 2017 year. Now sit back, and on behalf of the Eta Chi Omega chapter, we would like to thank you for supporting our chapter and our lovely debutantes, and the future looks very bright indeed. Thank you.
Good evening. I am Cynthia Bernard, and I am pleased to introduce to you our mistresses of ceremony for this year's cotillion. Jackie Simeon grew up in Lake Charles, Louisiana. She attended Louisiana State University, Baton Rouge, on a full academic scholarship and earned a Bachelor of Arts degree in Mass Communications with minors in English and History. Following her college graduation, Jackie interned at WFTV Channel 9, the ABC affiliate in Orlando, Florida. She began her professional career in her hometown at the NBC affiliate KPLC-TV as a reporter and a host of a monthly public affairs program. Jackie has been working as a journalist in Southeast Texas since 1994. In 2012, Jackie released her first children's book, Bonjour Tite Belle, as a tribute to her mother and their Creole heritage. She and her husband are the proud parents of one daughter, and Jackie is a proud member of Alpha Kappa Alpha sorority. Jasmine Thibodeau. Jasmine is a native of Opelousas, Louisiana, where she currently resides. She is a 2013 graduate of the University of Louisiana at Lafayette with a Bachelor of Arts in Mass Communications with a concentration in broadcasting and a minor in English. While in college, she interned at KOCZ 103.7 and KLFY TV 10. Following graduation, Jasmine joined the KLFY News 10 team as a news producer. In 2014, Jasmine's dream of becoming a news reporter was achieved as she became a KLFY News 10 team nighttime reporter. After growing up watching KLFY her entire life, Jasmine is delighted to be part of the News 10 team. Jasmine is a proud member of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated. Ladies and gentlemen, Jackie Simeon and Jasmine Thibodeau.